because, you know, we're not all comedians out here for fun. Like, we want to make money. And so that's pretty much the content portion with the race. Does anyone have any questions about content marketing strategy before I move on? Everybody got content marketing down? All right. So here goes the
Felicia has a
SWOT.
question. Jennifer.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, Felicia. How are you? Let me go back.
Good, thank you. Actually, I do not have content marketing down. I am
Okay.
I am working in the home. I'm working in children's homes. I'm a pediatric physical therapist, holistic. I provide holistic services in the home, but also have equipment that I'm working towards getting a building for. So at this point right now, I don't have the capacity to take any other patients in the home. So I'm kind of like in a space where I don't want to market right now to get clients for the home services, but I need to build interest for the clinic. So
Right.
I guess I need to build interest. So that's kind of been my challenge.
So you definitely.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There was kind of a delay. I didn't want to cut you off.
Oh no, go ahead.
Wait, so no, I was just gonna say, you know, it's definitely okay to still market because, you know, every outcome, like you may not be in the space where you're trying to convert, but you are still building awareness and, you know, keeping your brand consistent because, you know, it seems like social media, it reprimands us for not posting. So if you don't post for a while, you have to get back in the groove of algorithm and XYZ. And so, you know, just still trying to post something. It may be a day in the life, you know, of what you do. And, you know, when people call, even not being available could be a good thing because then you're building the momentum and you're increasing interest. And, you know, people can say, oh, they're booked and busy. I need to get on their list. So, I mean, there's just different things that you can take into play and utilize where you are to put yourself in a place of I guess, opportunity rather than looking at that as a space of lack.
Okay, thank you.